Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to sell crypto for cash on crypto.com. So to do that, you have to open the crypto.com app and log into your account. Then from there, tap on account at the bottom of the screen, then select crypto wallet to see your available cryptocurrencies. Then after that, tap on the cryptocurrency you want to sell. For example, you can sell BTC or Ethereum. Then tap on sell. Then after that, under the sell to section, choose the fiat wallet. So if you don't have a fiat wallet, set it up, then follow the instruction on how to create one. Then after that, enter the amount of crypto you want to sell. Then check the value cash value, check the equivalent cash value. Then review the transaction details, including the fee. Then tap on confirm to complete the sale. Then to withdraw the cash, go to the account, then click on fiat wallet, then tap on withdraw and select your preferred withdrawal method, which is bank transfer or any other method you want. Then complete the process, and that's how you can sell crypto for cash on crypto.com. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.